Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with a little swimsuit try-on haul featuring CUPSHE. Y'all know, like, I literally buy no other bathing suits besides CUPSHE. They make the best bathing suits, honestly. Like, their patterns, their prints, their styles, their everything is just, it keeps getting better. It is honestly like what Victoria's Secret was back to me, like back in the day, okay? This is the spot to get swimwear. So big shout out to them for partnering with me on today's video. As always, they did provide a coupon code. I will leave it on the screen as well as in the description box down below if you're curious to check anything out. I will also have everything on the YouTube shop button or in the description box, as well as my general measurements. Now, a little disclaimer before we get into it. I recently got done, my girlie's done, less than I think it's been 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks. I think it'll be 4 weeks tomorrow. So they're still a little swollen. I'm figuring out sizing. I don't know why I didn't get larges and tops, but I didn't, and I should have for most of them. So I will walk you through sizing and whatnot. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. I got so many good pieces. We have a vacation coming up in May, and I am pumped, but we also have a pool that we're gonna start heating up really soon because it's already pool weather. So let's jump in. I'm gonna start with one of my favorites. Okay, I got this. I have this in the black and white as well. This is like a little tankini. I love that tankinis are coming back in. So this is a pink and white gingham. These are definitely very, very cheeky. Of these, I believe I got the bottoms in a small. You can get a lot of their swimsuits offer different tops and bottom sizing, which is incredible because we're not all the same size. I'm between a small and a medium, the bottoms, to be honest with you, and I tend to just get the smalls because I do find that they lose a little bit of elasticity the more you wear them. Like, they stretch a little, not like a ton by any means, but just like pool and all of that, bathing suits tend to like not be as elasticy the longer you wear them. So I do decide to get them in a small, but I'm really anywhere between. But the little bottoms and this top, I'm obsessed. Okay, I love the thick straps, love this sort of like detailing here, the scallop detailing. It's got a tie in the front. It has removable cup pads, all their swimwear does, and adjustable straps. This is just too precious. I'm in love. Okay, this is a different style for me for sure. I'm loving these sort of like orange, I think these are hibiscus flowers. So cute, and loving the white piping detailing. So the bottoms, tie bottoms are honestly the most flattering. They're just super customizable, so I really should just be going with tie bottoms because they're like the perfect like in between for me. So these are the bottoms, and then the top is underwire, and it has like this ruching where you can kind of customize the coverage from the tie on the top. The bottom tie is just for fun. It doesn't actually do anything, but it's just for fun. And this is like a bra clasp in the back. I love this orange. Orange is one of my favorite colors. This is not something I would typically gravitate towards, but I'm so happy I did because it is so cute. Okay, we got some fun like textures and just all, like, what I'm telling you is they just have, if it's been a while since you've checked them out, like seriously, every time I look at their website, I'm like, I could get a billion bathing suits. They're so good. Okay, so these bottoms are more of a high rise, more coverage. It's got the little logo, and they're velvet, this blue velvet. I don't know how this will work in water. I'm curious to see, but love that. And then the top is super fun because there's a couple different things that make it unique and interesting. Sorry, it's all tangled up. This little charm here, I love their charm so much. Some pearls and then a little shell with a pearl in it. Are you kidding? Adorable. And then it has these double straps. So it has straps that work like as a halter, and then straps that just go down the back. I think this is so fun, so strappy, so cute. I have a piece of hair in there. Very customizable. You have adjustable here, and then you have like the bra clasp in the back. So cute. Love this color with a tan. Stunning. Okay, I truly am a sucker for anything gingham. Like, sign me up. I loved this. I think this is really cute. This honestly fits me really well. It's definitely more full coverage. It's got some like strap ruching here. It's got the bra clasp in the back, not adjustable though, so keep that in mind, but it's kind of like a square wide neck, so stinking cute. And then the bottoms are more of a high rise, high cut, not like super high rise, but just like more of a mid rise, if you will. So cute, love. And there's like a texture on this as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of like a bumpy texture. This is absolutely adorable. Okay, there's just something about a one piece that makes me just feel so girly, and I absolutely love it. Again, gingham, can you tell I love gingham? And ruching of any sort, this ruffly little sleeves. These are strawberries, I think. Oh, so cute with a blue gingham. This is just looks like a little like Dorothy, if you will. I love this ruching down at the breast, at the bottom. I think this is so cute. Very good coverage and just adorable, honestly, adorable. Okay, so this I would say is very much just a great universal bikini. I feel like this will become like, I always keep all my bikinis up here in a little bin, but I always have a couple downstairs that I could just like pull really quick if I'm like just running in the pool really quick or going in the hot tub at night, so I don't have to come all the way up and like pick out a bathing suit. I don't know why, because I should, because I have so many of them, but this is like, I feel like going to be a staple for me. I love, first of all, like that ruching sort of detailing. I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of like a smocked. And this blue, again, tie straps. I feel like the coverage of this, everything about it is perfection. And then the triangle top. And there's also these little like tortoise beads on the tops and the bottoms. Again, I could have used a little bit more coverage on these, but I feel like they're fine. I'm also still learning my size. I'm still a little swollen, so there's a lot of bottom boobage happening, and obviously my scars are out to show for now, but we are, you know, going to cover those with a lot of sunscreen and scar tape to hopefully get rid of them, but if not, oh well, such is life. But I love this. I just feel like this is just a good classic, and blue, you cannot go wrong. Okay, this pattern, when I saw this pattern, I was like, yes. Okay, I had seen this like last month or 2 months ago, but it was sold out in my size, and honestly, I think I need a bigger top. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love this pattern. It's like this green with tan with black. It is so interesting. And the neck, like the scoop on this is very, very interesting. So again, I'm still sitting kind of hard and like a little bit like high, so who knows what this will look like. My doctor basically said, don't like judge them yet, like wait for them to fully settle. So I'm happy. Don't get me wrong, I'm very happy. But I loved this swimsuit. I just think it's a tiny bit too small on the girls. But this has got the tie in the back, which I prefer because I can really get the right amount of like coverage, or like whatchamacallit. So like tightness. So I would say I could go up in size on this and not compromise tightness around this, which is awesome. Adjustable straps. And then these are more of like, again, a mid-rise, more fuller coverage, but I just thought this would look so cute. Black accessories. Okay, this is another one. When I saw this, I was like, oh, this is stunning. Okay, so the top is so cool. It's like almost like a bubble braid detailing. Again, I need this in a bigger size. It's just too small. I'm not sure why I thought I would be a medium when I was a medium before, but such is life. Love these like very Grecian, if you will, and love this purple mauve with like this sort of gold reflex. I think this is gonna look so pretty in the sun. So cute. Just need this in a bigger size. And the bottoms are so adorable. They've got this like V cut in the front, which is so flattering. More of like a mid-rise, fuller coverage. So cute. Just definitely need a bigger bottom or bigger top. We've got another purple tankini. Like I said, I have recently discovered that I actually like purple, but it has to be the right shade of purple, and this really is. I, again, sucker for anything with ruffles, a bow. This is just too cute. Like, you could wear this as a top if you were like going out and you're like young, but I'm not, so I'm wearing it to the pool. But I love a tankini with like an itty bitty teeny tiny little bottom, okay? These are almost borderline thong. They're very tiny, but super cute. And these have this sort of like floral ruche detailing. So cute. This color, I just feel like looks so good. They're coming out with so many different suits in this color, but this is so cute with the little like heart. This reminds me, if you ever did tanning beds, do you know the little heart stickers or the Playboy bunny stickers we used to put on our hip? Oh Lord help us all. But I hope you're wearing sunscreen now. And this is just so cute. These are just a very good bottom, nothing too crazy. It has a little bit of texture on it, if you can tell. And then this top is really unique. So all customizable with the straps, no sort of like bra clasp or even strap adjustments, but you can completely customize it with how tight you want it. Again, this is kind of cool. It's very wide set, almost like a balconette. with a deep V. I just thought this was really cool. It looks like it would be underwire, but it's not. It's completely soft. And again, it has that same sort of textured material, and I love it. Love that color. Okay, last swimsuit. I actually have two patterns that are the same, just in different styles. I thought it was fun, okay? So this has this white piping detailing on it. These are more of a higher rise, mid-rise, if you will. Green with a pink stripe in it. I thought that was so cute. And then this top fits me very well. I went with my true bra size, and this actually has room for your girls. So this has cup pads, but you can remove them. But this is just a traditional like bra top with, again, the white, like kind of ivory sort of piping details. So cute. And then we have this in the tankini form as well. This is just way too small for me. These cup pads are just like way too small. So we're getting there, we're getting used to it, okay? But it has this super cute little bow. I love this bottom though. It's kind of got a scalloped detail in it. I am loving tankinis. I just think they're absolutely precious. But yeah, need a bigger cup pad. Adjustable straps in the back, so cute. And then the bottoms are not as skimpy as my other tankini bottoms, which I find that to be the case, but these are still good, like more of a mid-rise, a little bit more fuller coverage. So cute. And then I grabbed a couple of cover-ups. I have a lot of like skirts and dresses, but I don't have a lot of like pants, which I thought was kind of cool to just throw these on. I loved the coloring of these. It's like an oatmeal color with like, I think it's black piping through them. I thought they would be itchy, but they're not, but they are heavy. They're like a thicker weight. Like you could honestly wear these as pants. They're not see-through like really at all. And they're very stretchy, but they're heavy, they're thick. You like you won't really wear these in like the dead of summer because they are thick and heavy, but I thought they would be cute for Cabo, especially when it gets kind of cold at night. These are fun though. These are like basically a mesh patterned pant. They just have an elastic waist. Oh, I'm backwards. And they have just like really cute detailing that are meshed all the way through. Let me show you. So cool. Very wide leg, like with a bright bikini underneath it. So good. Okay, last little like cover up are these little shorts, which I thought were so cute. Love this sort of embroidery. Can you see it's like flowers and stuff? And then they have these little ties on the side. So precious, again, for a bikini cover up. Like a little linen white button up or something like that. They're also giving away little beach totes depending on how much you purchase. It says turn every day into a getaway. It's kind of got a coral pattern, and then it also is reversible as well, I believe. I mean, I think so. It looks like it. It says the same thing on the inside and it's a different color. It could be. I don't know if it's supposed to be, but definitely could be. And you have that. Cute, right? Cute. Okay. And then last but not least, I grabbed a dress. I thought this was gonna be more of a cover up, but I think I can wear it as like an actual dress. And when I saw this, let me turn it inside out. I was like, this is epic, epic. I loved the coloring. It's so bright with like a slick back and some cute little heels for a Cabo dinner. And I was worried about the length. I wanted it to be short, okay? I wanted it to be short. It's very covered up top. I wanted it to be short, itty bitty, okay? So I went, I believe, with an extra small, but the coloring is so good. I'm in love. It does have holes in it, but I tried it on and you can't really see like too much through it because there's so much pattern and color going on. So good. Obsessed. Okay, that is everything that I picked up from CUPSHE. Again, big shout out to them for partnering me on today's video. I will have the coupon code that they left me as well as all the details on the YouTube shop button and in the description box down below if you're curious to check out anything. They just, honestly, if you've not found like good bathing suits, they make them just like, they honestly surprise me every month when I go on their site. I'm like, what the heck? How could you possibly find cuter bathing suits? And they're constantly dropping more, doing great, amazing collabs. I love CUPSHE. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Let me know what your favorite swimsuit was in the comments down below. Be nice. I know I'm healing, okay? So I'm kind of preparing myself for the backlash of people being like, ugh. But I love you guys. Thank you in advance for being so sweet. And I'll see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye.